This is Hisense Soundbar HS3100. It's 3.1 channel soundbar, 480 watts maximum audio power output with 6.5 inch wireless subwoofer. Bluetooth connect is 5.3. This soundbar got 6 speakers that deliver 480 watts max output power. This is the subwoofer here. This is the soundbar and information pad. I like the recycle stuff. So this is the accessories box. Subwoofer. Nice. This is the soundbar here. It's very light. The front is clothing and the back is plastic. Let's see what it looks like. It's plastic, and from the back the power cable goes in AC in, optical, aux, USB and HDMI. So you got a lot of connection capability. From the top you can also switch this soundbar from the top here. This button is input, followed by minus for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. Hisense. This is very light. This is the subwoofer. You can see what it looks like. 6.5 inch. Now, let's open the accessories and see what is in here. This is part of the wall mount. Two power cables included. One is for soundbar, the other one is for the subwoofer. AAA battery. Screws. HDMI cable is included. Remote control. This is what is included. To set this up, you need to take the remote control, push it down, push the cover down, then take the battery. On the right side, the negative goes on the top, the positive goes to the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative goes to the bottom and the positive on the top, on the left side when you are holding the remote control. Then slide the cover back up to close it. Now take the power cable, connect it to the soundbar. Go at the back of the soundbar, connect the power cable to the AC in port, and it's in. Then plug it on to the socket. take the other power cable, connect it to the subwoofer, go at the back of the subwoofer, push the cable inside it. If you want to reset this subwoofer, you press the reset button here for you to reset it. Now the next thing to do is plug it onto the socket and this in. So once you switch the soundbar on, it will show you hello. I want to show you how to connect this soundbar to your phone using aux cable. So if you take aux cable, you hook it up to your phone and take the other end of the cable, go to the soundbar at the back of the soundbar where it's written aux. So take this cable, hook it up to the aux port and it's in. Once you connect it to aux, switch the soundbar on and it will show you hello. Now use the input to select aux. This is USB, ACK, optical, BT, aux. So this is volume 50. From this remote control, you can increase the bass to +5 or -5. Likewise, the treble